Hi guys, and welcome to Crush It. Today we have Dr. Martens industrial steel toe cap boot. The steel toe cap is there to protect people from heavy falling objects. Today I want to find out if our hydraulic press can crush the steel toe cap boot. Let's see what happens when we crush it. Take a look at that. It's melted some of the rubber underneath the shoe. Let's try and crush the very end just to make it a bit more satisfying. That got crushed pretty nicely, but then when the press head went back, it sort of expanded back into a similar shape to what it was before. Oh look, some of the steel has come out of the boot. Look at that. It is a very tough boot. Okay, right, there we go. So this is the steel part of the boot. Sounds very solid, feels very solid. Quite a decent weight. It's very warm, crushed the steel part of the toe cap boot pretty well, and the rest is just different layers really. I think the metal got very hot while it was getting crushed and melted everything around it. Okay, a bit gooey. Yeah, so even if you're wearing a steel toe cap boot, please do not put it under hydraulic press. Thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you on the next video.